Everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can recover your deleted contacts on iPhone. What you need to do is just go to the settings, and after going to the settings you need to go to your Apple account here, and after going to your Apple account you need to go in your iCloud if you want to recover your contacts from your iCloud. If it is stored in your iCloud data, what you need to do is just go over to see all option here. It will open up all the apps, and there's an option of contacts. You just need to turn on the sync button. It will automatically download your contacts from your iCloud to your iPhone. Another option what we have is just go to the settings here and slide down, and there's an app option here. Just click over it, and after going to the app option, as you can see that there's a contact app here in C section. So tap on contact app. After going to the contact app, you can see that there are content accounts. This is meant to be from which accounts you want to fetch your contacts. If is it on Gmail or it is on iPhone or any other mail account you have stored your contacts on. Just go over this, and it will allow you to add the accounts you want to fetch the data from. You can add iCloud account over here, Gmail, or like Outlook, AOL, or Microsoft Exchange, and any other account you have where your contacts are stored. And what you need to do is fetch new data. Put that option enable. It will automatically fetching all the contacts of your account automatically. And what you need to do is it will automatically put the data into your phone and show you up the contacts which were stored in your Apple or Gmail or any other account. You can also import the sim contacts by here. So that's how you can actually recover your deleted contacts on your iPhone. Thank you very much.